Hello and welcome to another episode of MCQs for Judiciary Exams. Let's begin. Which section of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023 defines the abatement? Section 44, Section 45, Section 46 or Section 47? The correct answer is option B, Section 45. Recently, in the case of Patel, Babubhai, Manohar Das and others versus State of Gujarat, the Supreme Court held that mere harassment or blackmail without direct incitement or proximate acts compelling suicide is insufficient to sustain a conviction under Section 306 of the Indian Penal Code 1860. Section 107 of IPC 1860 and Section 45 of Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023 define abatement as a deliberate act involving specific actions that lead to suicide. Which section of the PC Act deals with presumption where a public servant accepts any undue advantage? Section 15, Section 17, Section 20 or Section 22? The correct answer is option C, Section 20. Recently, in the Madan Lal versus State of Rajasthan case, the Supreme Court held that a presumption under Section 20 of the Prevention of Corruption Act 1988 would not arise against the accused unless the factum of demand and acceptance of bribe is established by the prosecution. Section 20 of the Prevention of Corruption Act 1988 deals with the presumption where public servant accepts any undue advantage. Which section of the CPC deals with questions arising during decree execution? Section 47, Section 48, Section 52 or Section 55? The correct answer is option A, Section 47. Section 47 of the Code of Civil Procedure deals with questions related to decree execution. Which section of the Transfer of Property Act 1882 defines the term mortgage? Section 56, Section 57, Section 58 or Section 60? The correct answer is option C, Section 58. Section 58 of the Transfer of Property Act 1882 defines mortgage as the transfer of an interest in specific immovable property for the purpose of securing the payment of money advanced or to be advanced by way of loan, an existing or future debt, or the performance of an engagement which may give rise to a pecuniary liability. Indian Penal Code 1860 coin is defined in which section? Section 45, Section 229, Section 230 or Section 231? The correct answer is option C, Section 230. As per the Section 230 of the Indian Penal Code, the term coin is defined as a metal used for the time being as money and of some state or sovereign power in order to be so used. Now it's time for the practice question. Which kind of jurisdiction is not mentioned under Section 42 of the Indian Evidence Act 1872? Probate, matrimonial, insolvency, revenue. Send the answer of this question in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.